Step 1. Copy the new layer below the original layer. You can do this by holding Alt Windows or Command Mac and drag the new layer below the original layer. Step 2. Copying masks. If there are masks on the original layer, hold Alt, Windows, or Command, Mac, and copy them from the original layer to the layer below. Step 3. Copy the layer styles. Select the original layer and press Shift plus F7 to finish the process. If you can't use the shortcut, load the actions from the PostProduction Master extension into the Actions panel. To load actions, press any tool from the PostProduction Master's Tools tab, as shown in the video. That's it! You've successfully copied layer styles and masks using PostProduction Master in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.